In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Sheet View Only. If you've opened a Google Sheet and you can't type, move cells, or change anything, you're likely viewing it in View Only mode. That simply means the file's owner hasn't granted you permission to edit yet. The most common and correct way to fix this is to send a request for edit access, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do that and what to expect. First, open the sheet you want to work on. Make sure it's the exact file where you need editing rights, not a preview or a downloaded copy. If you see View Only near the top or the cells are locked from typing, you're in the right place to proceed. Requests are tied to the account you're using, so the owner sees the right name and email. Next, look for the Request Edit Access option. You'll usually find it in the upper right corner of the sheet near the Share button. Sometimes it appears as a blue button that literally says Request Edit Access. Other times, you might see a banner or a dialog at the bottom of the screen with a link that says the same thing. If the interface shows a View Only pill or a lock icon, click it to reveal the button. The exact placement can vary slightly, but it will be clearly labeled. Once you've found it, click Request Edit Access. A small window will open, letting you add a note. Use this space to briefly explain why you need to edit the file and, if helpful, what sections you plan to update. Keep it concise, professional, and specific. Clear requests tend to get approved faster. Avoid sharing any sensitive information in your message, just enough detail so the owner understands the purpose. When you're ready, send the request. After you send it, the owner receives an email notification with your message and can approve or deny access. When they approve, you'll be able to edit the sheet just like any other document you own. If the sheet is already open when approval comes through, the new permissions usually take effect shortly after, and you'll see editing controls become available. That's all there is to it. Open the sheet, find the Request Edit Access button, and send a clear, polite request. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you move forward with your work without delay.